Yo, welcome back again to my channel. It's your friend Robert. I'm super excited to bring you some amazing food today. Actually, I'm out here at Whole Foods. I heard that they got some soul food. Stick around. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Let's enjoy some soul food at Whole Foods. Got some mashed potato right here. It looks amazing, man. I'm gonna be loading up I mean a lot of these dishes and stuff. I think they all, you know, pass for soul food. A little bit of mac and cheese. Actually, these ones are massive. Gonna load up on mac and cheese. Ooh, got some corn right here, cheddar corn. Put some right there. Got some curd greens and parmesan. Oh, that looks good. Gonna mix it up with some corn. Oh, and I got some pollock right here. So we got some fried fish. Oh, the meatloaf right there. A little bit of some French fries. You can go wrong with that. All right. Cauliflower. I think this passes for soul food as well. Chimichurri potatoes. I mean, can't go wrong with that. A little bit of some sweet potatoes. Not bad. And not so sure about some sour orange chicken if this passes for soul food, but hey. I'm gonna do it anyway. Soul food at Whole Foods. Got some cornbread right here. I think I'm gonna grab a piece of cornbread. So this must be one of the most expensive soul food out there at Whole Foods. Oh man, we got some mac and cheese here. We got some sweet potatoes. We got some chimichurri potatoes, as well as curd greens right there with some cheese. Piece of chicken, of course, the pollock fish, and got some meatloaf, French fries, and cauliflower on bread. So let's give it a shot and see how it tastes. The mac and cheese, they look super delicious. Wow, I love the flavor of the cheese. Meatloaf, cut a little bit of it. It's massive. This thing is huge. Cheers. You can taste some onions in there, spices, cheese, pollock fish, buttered fried fish, a little bit salty French fries. That's good. That's really good. I'm gonna try a little bit of cauliflower. It does have some sesame, salty, like sweet and salty. Mashed potatoes, they're very creamy. The chicken, big old chunk of chicken. I like that chicken. Sour orange chicken, very tasty. Sweet potatoes, that's awesome. tart grain. Creamy. Got a little bit of corn. Mix of soul food, It's gonna be a little bit pricey, but you're guaranteed to have an awesome experience. Jalapeno, cheddar, cornbread, trying to unwrap it. That's good. Soft. So there you go. That's my experience here at Whole Foods, Eastern area, Columbus, Ohio. I'll leave the address in the description box if you happen to be around the area. You can check them out. I appreciate you for tuning in. Thank you again for supporting the channel. Until next time, thank you again. Take care. Be safe.